The NovaCaddy S2R electric trolley is driven by two independent 200-watt, 400W, noiseless 1.2V DC 20Ah deep cycle motor. Rear-wheel drive, dual stainless steel gears and gearboxes, 17:1 ratio. Dual independent transmission. The user can operate the trolley within 120 yards, 110 meters, using the remote control. This remote control features start, pause, forward, backward, left turn, right turn, and 7-speed selections. Alternatively, the trolley can also be operated manually with a rheostat, speed control, and cruise control, 10, 20, and 30 meters/yard. Max speed 8 km/h, 5 miles per hour, 7-speed adjustable. Distance per charge, 20 kilometers, 12.5 miles. It is about 2 of 18 whole run, with the high-capacity lithium battery. Max load, 40 kilograms, 88 pounds. Climbing capability, 25-degree. Super lightweight 1.2V, 20Ah lithium battery, 4.5 pounds, compare with regular lead-acid battery 22 pounds. Battery charge time, 1 to 8 HR. Battery lifetime, greater than 500 charge. Easily folded. Full size, 112x100x 60 cm, 44x39x 24 inch. Folded size, 86x 60x 36 cm, 32x 24x 14 inch. Lightweight, 9.5 kilograms, 20 pounds, without battery, 12 kilograms, 26 pounds, with lithium battery, compare with regular lead-acid battery cart weighted 45 pounds. In the description to get this product today at the best price. The NovaCaddy S2R electric trolley is driven by two independent 200-watt, 400W, noiseless 1.2V DC 20Ah deep cycle motor. Rear-wheel drive, dual stainless steel gears and gearboxes, 17:1 ratio.